Hello guys, Master Praveen. So in this video we are going to some intensive practice which is really very good to increase the strength and increase the stamina inside your body. And this is also very good way to reduce the fat. Means you can say this workout can be very good for the weight loss. First practice, as you are saying, that you have to take your both hands under your hip and both legs just alternate basis up and down. You have to be continuous, go with that, and try to do not make it and do not practice so fast. You try to do it a little slowly, because the more slow you will do, the you can be feel that particular movement. तो आप इसको करते रहिए. It will be depends on you, like if you are doing first time, so you can be do it like particular for a couple of seconds in the beginning, or if you have enough strong core, so you can do it a little bit longer. तो ये आप पे डिपेंड करेगा कि अगर आप बिल्कुल स्टार्टिंग से कर रहे हैं तो आप थोड़ा कम समय कर सकते हैं, बट इट विल बी बेस्ड ऑन योर डेली रेगुलर बेसिस प्रैक्टिस. The more day you practice, so slowly your strength will be increased, your stamina will be increased, and after that you can be increase the repetitions count by count. Initially we are putting the hand under the hip, because when you're putting the hand under the hip, so it will become a little easier for you. थोड़ा सा easy बन जाता है आपके लिए. So once you done one round, you can be have rest for a while. You can have some couple of deep breath, थोड़ा सा rest कीजिए. And after that I am give the practice in the plank, the elbow plank. And elbow plank will be combined with the plank twisting, in which you have to be drop your hip on the left and right side. But कोशिश कीजिए, you have to be keep trying that your hip a little bit up from the ground. थोड़ा सा वो up रहेगा इसके अंदर. And legs a bit closer to each other. थोड़ा सा legs आपके बिल्कुल साथ रहेंगे. एंड ये भी आपको ध्यान रखना, यू हैव टू बी आल्सो टेक केयर कि आपकी एल्बो नहीं उठनी चाहिए. योर एल्बो शुड नॉट बी लिफ्ट अप फ्रॉम द मैट. योर एल्बो शुड बी विद द मैट, एंड यू हैव टू बी लिफ्ट अप द शोल्डर. यू हैव टू बी ब्रिंग अवेयरनेस एंड यू हैव टू बी एंगेज योर शोल्डर. आई एम डूइंग ऑलमोस्ट नियर बाय द 50 रेपिटेशंस इंक्लूडिंग लेफ्ट एंड राइट. तो ये आप पर डिपेंड करेगा. अगर आप फर्स्ट टाइम करें तो यू कैन बी मेक इट 10 times, then 20 times, then slowly after day by day you can be increase that repetitions. So this is more effect on your side oblique. ये आपके side muscle पर effect करेगा. And after particular some rounds, some repetitions, you feel tired, you can be rest for couple of seconds. I'm combining this practice with the cobra pose. Means this is the combination of some movements and some asanas practice. This cobra pose I am doing it is just like a alternate practice, ताकि आपकी spine को थोड़ा सा उसमें stretch आपको मिल जाए. Your spine will have a very gentle stretch. You do not need to do something very hard back bending. This is something very gentle stretch, especially for your spine. You can be keep arms straight, or even you can be practice with a drop elbow. And now the next practice I'll be combined with the half bow pose. We called is the Ardha Dhanurasana. So Ardha Dhanurasana, actually in the yoga we have to be hold the posture, but here I will do the some movement like do the half bow pose, hold the ankle, and you have to be move the front and the back side, so that you have the moving will be on your stomach. आपके abdomen पर थोड़ा सा push रहेगा. And it is a really very good practice, especially for increasing the core strength, and this is also very good practice for reducing the fat in your stomach area. This practice also make you more strong, but again I am repeating the same thing. If you are a beginner, तो आप इसमें ज़्यादा मत कीजिए. You have to do it a little few seconds only. After practice by practice you can be moved. And you have to be also try your upper body and the lower body should be move front and the backward. आगे की तरफ और पीछे की तरफ. And once you feel tired, you feel that that is enough for you, so you can be rest for couple of seconds. जब आप रेस्ट करें तो the normal breathing should be there. So here go the next practice. I am just checking my phone and my recording. So okay, so here we go, our next practice. So again you have to be lying down with your back, and again put your both hands under your hip. Next practice, we are going to your both legs will be up and down. So थोड़ा सा time दीजिए so that you can be adjust yourself. Relax first, legs together, and you have to slowly lift your both legs up and down. You can be take the legs on the 90 and then slowly then leg down. Breathing के साथ आप कर सकते हैं, like you can be follow the breath, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. But also remember that you try to do not touch the floor with your legs. कोशिश कीजिए कि your legs should be up from the floor. And then this is good, like initially you can be count the repetitions 10 times, 20 times, 30 times, and after practice by practice you can be increase the repetitions. But please remember, if someone is having extreme back pain, any kind of stomach pain, so they have to please avoid this kind of the practice. That will totally depends on you कि how many repetitions you can make it. But I'm sure if you will do the regular practice, अगर आप regular basis पे practice करेंगे तो आप धीरे धीरे जैसे जैसे आपकी strength increase होगी, आपका stamina increase होगा, so you can make the more and more repetitions. But better you should count it. 20 times किया, 30 times किया, so उसके बाद then you will be know the improvement. And this really affect especially your lower ab. Feel tired after that, you can bend legs and like this, so it will give a little more relax. So now the next practice combining, like you have to slowly gently lift your upper body. Now you just your hand near to the knee, but knee को touch मत कीजिए, near by उसके पास लेके जाइए. This practice will affect more your upper abdomen. तो धीरे धीरे इसमें करते रहिए जितने रेपिटेशन आप कर पाएं. But it doesn't mean कि you have to make yourself very tired. So धीरे धीरे आप करेंगे when you will practice on the regular basis. So definitely your strength and your stamina will be increased. So now I'm also combining the practice. I'm giving some stretch, and I'll do the wheel posture here. Wheel posture, one of the very back bend posture in the yoga asana. You all know, if you are doing the yoga, so you know about it. So wheel pose, I am holding the wheel pose. Wheel pose first, this is a very good pose to work your whole body. Your arms, your shoulder, your whole spine, your upper back, your middle back, your lower back, your legs, your hip. So this is the complete posture. And when you are increasing, when you are holding the pose for a longer time, so you can see like the flexibility can be increased, your strength can be increased, your stamina can be increased. So this is recommendable. Again, I will repeat the same thing कि आपको, if you do not have that enough flexibility, if you are not able to do the wheel posture completely, so आपको you no need to be hold a very longer time. आप उसको थोड़े समय होल्ड कर सकते हैं, 10 seconds, 20 seconds. But here I have the enough capacity, so I am trying to holding the posture a bit longer. I'm trying to use my flexibility. I'm trying to use my strength, combining the strength and the flexibility together. एक चीज का ध्यान रखना आपको, जब व्हेन यू आर होल्डिंग द व्हील पोज यू हैव टू बी ब्रिंग अवेयरनेस फ्रॉम द आर्म्स, डू नॉट लेट लूज योर आर्म्स, अवेयरनेस आपको वहां रखना पड़ेगा. So you can be hold as long you can, like I'm holding is I think it's quite long, it's more than 2 minutes somewhere, maintaining the same thing. Yes, and after that when you feel enough you can be come back, you can hug your knee, you can press your knee. This is the practice just for the relaxation. So if almost all the routine you can be follow it, only thing is that the repetitions and the holding will be totally depends on you. If you're watching this video and you are follow this video, so you can be just like some repetitions you can be do it slowly. So thank you so much guys. तो आप इस वीडियो को फॉलो कीजिए. थैंक यू सो मच.